Here we are at assignment 1-6. I've renamed it by clicking on an untitled document and renamed it 1-6. And then I've gone ahead and typed it all in, a short few sentences about topography and serif and sans serif. And then I have a number of the actual fonts from Google Docs. The first one's easy. Arial is a sans serif font. The default in Google Docs is Arial, so we're not going to change that. The next one is Arial Black. So we're going to select it, come up to Arial Black, choose Arial Black. So that's really all it is all of these, we're just going to take the font that's mentioned in the sentence and change it to that font. Not changing the size, nothing else, nothing about the color. We're just taking a look at the difference between sans serif and serif. Next we look at Arial Narrow. Okay, notice the difference. They're all versions of Arial. We have Calibri, so we select the line, come up to the font selection. This one we're going to Calibri. Okay. Now notice that these are all sans serif fonts, the first four, and next we're going to select and do a serif font. So we click on the font selection and we're doing Cambria. Notice the difference. Let's blow that up. Okay. So for example, on the top of the B right here, you have a little structural element which is called the serif. At the ends of the C, the ends of the A, the downstrokes of the M, and the upstroke right here at the beginning of the M, the top of the B. Notice all of those are serifs. So it's therefore called a serif font. For a comparison, we're going to look at Calibri, which is a sans serif, which means without. And let's just take a look at the C. Notice the C has, it's just a straight line. There's no structural elements to it as there is in this C, which has the serifs at the very end of the top and the bottom strokes. Okay, that's the difference. I'm going to select these again, change them back to the default font, which is font size, which is 12. In this case, I think it is 14, which is what we've done all of these in. Okay, go ahead and just complete these. And all you're doing is you're taking Comic Sans MS, sans serif font, you select that line, and you find Comic Sans MS. And you just select it and change to that particular font. Go on down through all the fonts. Notice that, and at the bottom you're going to do name date 1-6. Notice that there are quite a bit more fonts all the way to Verdana. At the very bottom you can actually add fonts, but we'll be looking at that in a more advanced later in the chapters. Okay, all done. Go ahead and have your teacher check it out.